Hi friends, in this Excel for beginners, I will give you a quick introduction to Excel. You will have an idea how spreadsheets looks like and how to use it. Excel is a spreadsheet released in 1985 by Microsoft. It works on Windows, Mac OS, iOS and also on Android. We all use Excel in our day-to-day life and also in professional career also. Typically for calculation, data related works, accounting, budgeting, graphs and also for programming also. It can be used for many more things. Now when I click on the blank workbook, this is how our Excel opens. At the top we call it as a ribbon and the bottom we have a sheet area. And we have many tabs, groups, option buttons, and mainly we have the formula bar and we have a rows and columns, and we can add a sheet at the bottom. Now let us track our expenses in the Excel sheet. So let me have first the serial number and let me put a date and let me say amount spent. Okay, now you can see that's how easily we can type in the cells. This is our cell and each cell has its own address. For example, if I click it on a serial number, this is my active cell. And what is the address for this? A B and a 3. B is a column, 3 is the row. A, B, C, D are the columns, 1, 2, 3 are the rows. Now the address is shown here is the name box, that is B3. Now it can accept the numbers, dates, special characters or anything. Okay. Now since it has gone out of the box, if I double click here, it sets itself in the box. And this is how the typically Excel sheet works. I can just select the entire cells, how much I want, and even if I want to make this bold, select this and click on bold. This is how it works. Okay, now let us enter the serial number 1, 2 and 3. Now if I want to make these three as a center, just click at the B column and make it at the center. Okay, so this becomes the center. Okay, now let me add the yesterday's date. So 07/10/23. Okay, so how much amount I have spent? Say I have spent some 100 rupees. I am clicking the enter. Okay, now today's, just drag it, it will take the today's date. Okay, now today I have spent say some 50 rupees and tomorrow I am planning to spend some say 50 rupees. Okay, so this is how we can enter and track the things. Now similarly, now if it doesn't looks like, just I want to add the borders to this. Okay, I have added a border. Let me add a thick border to this outside borders and let me add this one. Now I want to get the total. Let me type the total here and I want to do the count. So 10 plus 50 plus 50 is 200. Now these are a simple calculation. Now if we want to do it on Excel, just type here, click here on a summation. Okay, just click it. It will take D4 to D6. Now what is D4? It has started from the column D and from the row 4 and it has added up to the 6 and I'm just entering it. So it is giving me the totals. How much expenditure I have done is 200. Since in this expenditure I have assumed tomorrow I am going to spend 50 rupees. So I just want to comment it if the amount changes so that I can make a come here back and make the changes. So it is assumed. We can change it if required. Okay. Now whenever I move the mouse here, I can see that the comment and I can change it accordingly. Now in this Excel, we can use directly our arrow keys. Okay. the up arrow, side arrows, and down arrows. Okay, so this is a simple how we use the arrows in our Excel sheet. And even we can make it a color, or we can even the font, our font color, and these are the tabs which we can use it for the different purposes. And here is the sheet. If I want one more sheet, I can just add, and you can rename it accordingly. And this is a zoom slider where I can increase the zooming. And Control S is for the saving, if I want to save the file, or else you have a file and you have a save or save as button, you can use it. So this is how a simple Excel sheet we can use it for our beginner point of view. Thank you. Thanks for watching.